What's the meaning of comparability? Comparability. Comparability.
Comparability. Comparability. Comparability refers to the ability to compare two or more things in a meaningful way. This can be achieved through standardization, ensuring that the objects being compared adhere to the same set of criteria. Comparability is important in various fields such as finance, where it allows for the analysis of financial statements across companies, and in scientific research, where it allows for the comparison of different experimental conditions. Without comparability, it can be difficult to draw accurate conclusions or make informed decisions. Therefore, establishing comparability is essential for valid comparisons and effective decision-making.